So our last frame prompted me to pop it back 100. Um, I can't say as how I've ever seen this intrusions. Um, so we're gonna play. Yeah, nothing to see here in the IMF line, but you can see it at night, every night, starting here. And there's another one, and there's another one. They're all lined up on your north horizon. They're in a line, just like they look. It's darker and darker. They are shadows, huge, massive, freaking objects in your sky that so far to date had nobody fucking not see if they went out and fucking looked. So I suggest you give it a fucking eyeball tonight. You might want to watch the moon. It's full, technically. It's doing cartwheels. Man in the moon shouldn't be doing cartwheels. Very famous for never changing his face. He's turning upside down every night. He's confused. And this is why. So if you want to know, you'll go look. If you don't, you'll think I'm nuts. And that's fine. Think what you want. If you go look, you'll know I'm not kidding. For fuck's sake. This shit's real. Have you lost your mind? Somebody is telling you there's something huge at night that you can see every night in your sky on the north horizon. Big ass black fucking shadow blocking out all the stars. And you're not looking? You're talking shit. Really? Amazing. Induction heating started a few hours ago. They were outgassing, and then the boom, boom, outgassing, soon the boom. The palmas. This is the reason I've told my wife and my in-laws personally, told them all they need to get their ass off that island. And this is why. They live right here. So just updated again. Um, we'll come back to this. Um, huh, okay. I'm interested. Um, yeah, let's look at the, hmm, okay, stream charge in the negative, and it's just, it, hmm, hmm. So, yeah, let's go back. um, that is very interesting, right there. Because, I mean, well, you should know, to this, this is a good thing. Um, oh, I was gonna go back. That's what I thought. Induction seems to be cutting down a little bit, so I'm gonna guess magnitude's gonna pick up. But let me make sure. Run it through real quick. Yeah. It's still going on, but we're looking at over 5 again. Let me guess. I have to look at the plots. Jesus. Okay, what's that doing here? Because I'm sure now that I'm looking at it, thinking about it, this is usually here, which it, but it's huh. It's the first time I've seen it back here like this. And I mean, we've got the square and the whole. Wow. Okay. Um. That's just okay. 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 Let's play this. So you see that on a lot of closed field lines for nothing going on right there. You ever look up eddy current? Let's do that. I don't know. I don't want to stop. Okay. Now, I mean, that ain't nothing to be afraid of. It's just wild. So they haven't updated in like 40 minutes here on my quick map. So I know a lot of people don't look up anything, but people like Suspicious Observer, Ben Davidson, lawyer, spokesperson on stage for NASA, they could sue me if I fucking libeled him and told you something that he wasn't. Um, this guy was going to tell you eddy currents cause what we're looking at. Well, why an eddy current? Because the freaking field's touching something else. See? The only reason for a closed field line is because the damn thing's pushing it away. Period. End conversation. Physics. Simple shit. Went over it. Previous videos. How do you stop an eddy current? You stop your magnet field from touching a physical object. Because closed field lines. Circular induction of energy and heat and such. And that's why we're seeing fucking volcanoes go boop, 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 boop. So because I know all of you paused it and read it and understood exactly what I was showing on the screen, what do you get out of this? When our bow shock is literally bending to a point into the accretion disk of our magnet. What's that? Go look at my previous videos. We're not covering that in this one. These are closed field lines. There's only one reason for a closed field line in nature is because it's pushing away another magnet like a little fist. Boom, boom, boom. Period. See it? Believe it. See the IMFs? That means I am not of Earth. I'm not going to say the F. Just because I'm not. Fuckers. See how it stops at some point? It's not really stopped here, but it's less. Because, I mean, it's just been inducing energy. I mean, like planet Earth, you know? Look at it. She sucks in and out when she's closing these field lines because that requires more power. Because these are stronger than these. Someone telling you this is a weak magnet, they don't know anything about magnets. This is IMF. This is another magnetosphere. Look, and before all this IMF wasn't even showing up. None of this. It was showing up in odd colors, but never IMF. And then I was telling eventually the push is going to be so much that these satellites will be able to tell that this is something else. It'll show up in IMF. And well, it has been, but I mean, this is the first time I've seen this pattern down. It's a first. Like I said, that's usually up here, but all of a sudden it's showing up down here. That's, I mean, that's a little bit like, well, I want to say unnerving, I'm not sure what to think about it. Analysis, I suppose that, well, I know what that is, but I mean, why is it curling? See how it moves down there. It's never done. Anyways, fuck it, man. Have a nice hump day.